Hi everyone, good day. This is Raymond Suwan, and today I will discuss about computer in the information age. So, what is computer? Computers are among the most important contributions of advances in the information age to society. Nganong dako ka siya contribution sa tong society, sa tong information age? It's because computers are important because they provide a function and specific services. Unsa man yung mga services nga provide sa computers such as communications. It helps us to communicate our loved ones, family, and so on. And also easy transactions such as paying our bills, doing an online shopping, and also doing businesses online. And also it helps us to solve problems such as, for example, we are given a topic to do a research, and asa man ta modagan, di ba, sa computer. And the computers will provide an answers to our inquiries or sa atong researches. And also computers entertains people. Unsa nga entertain kay, like for example, kalang game, online games sa computer using PC and so on, movies, ana. And also computers helps us to get relevant information, especially on what's happening in our society. So, dako kay tabang ang computers, no? And also, according to the US History Organization 2017, computer is an electronic device that stores and processes data information. It runs on a program that contains exact step-by-step directions to solve a problem. So, kani nga problem mo na siya kung example before lately katong doing a research, dakan ba nga problems ang matabang sa computer. So, and also, 'di ba, do you know nga ang base sa itong nabawaan nga computers is kanang nasa internetan or sa internet cafes, but dapat ay mga other types of computers which is to be discussed in the next slide. So, ada na ta kapanabawa na to sa sila nga mga computers. So we have here our types of computers. First, we have PC or personal computer. So what is personal computer? It is a single user instrument. PC were first known as microcomputers since they were a complete but built on a smaller scale than the enormous systems operated by most businesses. So, micro which means gamay. Pero karon no naka-evolve jud siya. So una ang mga PCs before kay katong ang sa likod niya is kanang more siyang buktot, but now karon kay flat screen na. So na but most of us kay most of students or even not just students but also business establishments kay ay mga PCs nga gipanggamit or gipang-provide sa ilang areas because of storing their data, inventories, and even communicating or promoting their businesses and winana. So, and the next second one is we have the desktop computer. So, ito is Zoom, kaya para makilaro. Ang desktop computer is mostly na ito mabuuan ni siya or ma-identify in the internet cafes kana mo na siya example sa desktop computers, not just internet cafes but also in the BPO companies kay I was been there before. And inani ang among set up ang kani siyang row, first row na sample lang ha, that first row of computers kana siya specific functions or specific accounts nga naka-program and so on and so forth sa mga rows na siya. So what is desktop computers? So desktop computers, it is described as a PC that is not designed for portability. Unsa man ang portability? Kanang madala-dala nimo siya anytime, anywhere. Kaya nga no, kisa mo po taong magdawag PC taw sa CR, uy, nga kapit mo atana. And also, the PC will not be functioning in the CR. Kaya nga no, kaya wala may power dito, wala man siya power socket dito, dinin mo siya masaksak, wala internet connection. So, inana. And also, the assumption with a desktop is that it will be set up in a permanent spot. So, di ba, ang PC or ang desktop computers is kung siya dito, naka-set up na siya through its specific spot or area or designated area kay dili mo siya pwede babalin-balhin bisan asa without further notice, no, kay dakan ba kay kuanunan na usbunan na. And the third one is, excuse me, the third one is laptops. Di na ako i-discuss ang laptops since we all know that we are encountering it right now naman pod. So, or we are eventually using it sa katong na mga laptops diha, o di ba? So mo na siya. Ang ako lang iko niya is ang difference between laptops and desktops. Unlike laptops, ang laptops kay portable siya, meaning madala-dala nimo siya, excuse me, madala-dala nimo siya everywhere, anytime, anywhere nimo siya magamit. Kay because ang laptops kay it's like a notebook type. Notebook siya, kumbaga tawagon sa uban kay it's because it's foldable and madala ra nimo siya masud sa bag. And also ang difference sa laptops and the PCs is because ang laptop is battery powered package na siya, unlike sa PC nga need pa nimo siya isaksak sa power socket para mo gana. Na siya katumurag box nga adapter ata to siya, I think. And also the PC is separate ang iyang mga kuan, ang katuyang monitor, CPU, unlike the laptops nga all in na jud siya dito, naka-built in na tanan. And the fourth one is the PDAs or personal digital assistants. Unsa ni siya? Um, most of the companies mag-use ani. I don't know sa uban, but sa akong company before, nagamit mi ani. And also me, ako nagamit ko ani kay warehouse man ko naka-assign before. So, I am in charge to do the inventories, transaction with the outside partners sa mong company, ana. So, kana siya nga PDA ang mong gamit. By emailing each other, mag-email me kanang sa among order, sa among kuan, product, na turn ana ba, vice versa ang process. So, and also PDAs can use as your um personal computer. Pwede ka maka-search dito, pwede ka maka-Facebook, kaya na siya built-in nga browser. And at the same time, PDAs it has an internet connection rather. So, also, PDAs is a lightweight and a battery powered. Same as sila sa laptop, battery powered, but ang kanin siyang PDAs is lightweight na siya, gaan na siya, pwede na siya ibusol sa bulsa or sa bag, and pwede naman siya usahon kakamot, unlike the laptop kay gakson mo din mo siya. And the fifth one is the server. Ano saan yung server? Server refers to a computer that has been improved to provide network services to other computers. Servers usually boost a powerful processors, tons of memory, and a large hard drivers. So, balik na sa picture. Ako ni-zoom, ha? So, like for example, this one. Atong clients diri, as you can see in the picture, ang clients ato diri is the laptops, the mobile phone, and the personal computer itself. But ang tunod jud ani nga client, ang kaning mga gadgets nga gipang provider is also is the host. But ano client just is ang browser or ang Chrome browser nga na built-in na sa atong gadgets, which is naa magyud ang tanan, di ba, natay Chrome, natay browser. So mo na siya ang clients, which is mo na siya atong client, the web server. And then without also internet connection, dili ta maka-search, dili ta makabuhat, dili ta maka-perform og action towards on the researches, on the transactions, or anything else nga magamit sa computers. So, tsaka ang imong gadget wala internet, kaya di mo siya magamit. And so, ano na siya, ada na balik na ta diri. In doing a research, di ba, matumanda sa Google Chrome to search the title, ato indicate ito ang title sa search box, then ato i-click dito, ato isuwat dito itong topic, then man na, nakasuwat na. Ato i-click ang search button, then upon clicking the search button, mugawas daw yun ang result. Ang ata ay ang kanang atong gi-search sa kuan, atong input dito sa button is transmit ito sa server. And the server will also transmit the result sa ato ang client, which is mao na siya katong result sa atong pang search. Yung nakabantay mo nga daghan kay result is because daghan na kaayong mga nagapublish og mga websites in regards to the topic nga mong research. So ang imo lang ana is pagpili og unsa joy best or most relevant answers as feeling mo nga mao na siya answer. So mao na siya katong ni connect na ba, mao na siya ang kuan purpose og ang meaning og ang gamit sa server sa to ang computers. And the next one is we have the mainframes. Ang mainframes is commonly used in the business companies or business establishments such as kanang ako gitrabahoan before kanang garment factory na aming mainframes ito. Why? Kaya ano, it's because dito na mo store tanan na mo dito naka-store tanan among mga inventories from the whole year and the previous year and the current year ana dito damo siya i-store ano so the information of our manpowers sa nakuato na dito confirmation dali ra kayo makita dito matrace then at the same time katong mga transactions ng company na dito naka-save tanan with the help of these mainframes. So unsa ning mainframes ato lang dalion. A mainframe computer, informally called a mainframe or big iron, is a computer used primarily by large organizations for critical applications like bulk data processing for tasks such as censuses, industry and consumer statistics, enterprise resource planning, and large-scale transaction processing. So, censuses is kaning man siya mga population sa tuang country. So, maybe ang government na siguro ni pero I don't know. Pero nadyo ni siya sa mga business establishments, mostly ang mainframes. So, and the last one, we have the wearable computers. So, ato Zoom. So, as you can see, wearable computers, familiar naman tano kay it's because kanang mo na siya ang mga smartwatches, katong mga iWatch, katong mga BP, blood pressure monitoring apparatus, atong oxygen thermometer, katong and so on and so forth. Dakan ba kayo nga mga na-invent karon nga mga wearable computers. So unsa ni sila? So, wearable computers involves materials that are usually integrated in cell phones, watches, and other small objects or places. And also, it perform common computer applications such as databases, email, multimedia, and schedulers. So, kaya ba naman yun say function aning mga wearable computers? No. Ang pinaka-important ni is it gathers data from us and also it also a communication process provider, and also it helps us to entertain us by having the multimedia, and it can also set us scheduler sa tuwa labi na kanang natin mga important nga mga tuon pwede ta dito makaset og notes, alarms, and whatsoever na diha nga mga mga operations sa may perform anang mga wearable computers. So I think that's all with my part, and let's move forward to the next reporter. Thank you.